the leaders from the industries, academicians, and really I believe that this conference is gradually achieving its objective, bringing all these fraternity on a single platform. Time is running very fast. I know our honorable chief guest has to rush for the Delhi. He has another occupancy. I am very thankful to honorable Vice Chancellor that he is here. And whole APID family, whole ST Education Society is really happy. Dr. Saab, you can understand that all people from the different societies, people, head of the organizations are here to welcome you. So you can view in the heart the respect which we have, and we look forward to you in future as well. Professor P.K. Rai, who is the chief architect of this conference, I will, because time is not allowing you, otherwise I was thinking to share so many things. One thing which I would like to highlight here, though its name is Advanced Computing and Communication Technology, because we have procured the trademark TMEs with the APID India, this ownership goes to us. That's why we are not able to change the title of the conference. But of course, it was started in 2005 with the idea to meeting the challenges of communication and computing technology. But I am glad that today's more than 16 streams of science and technology we are addressing. You might have just unveiled the souvenir, and you will see that we are addressing to the mechanical engineering, you are addressing the applied sciences, and recently 2 years back we have incorporated the challenges of the management sciences as well. So the way it is growing and the vision for the next milestone which we are trying to achieve has also been briefed to you. So I don't take much time. I know that we have a hectic day, lot of technical and parallel sessions are scheduled. I am very thankful to all the authors, the delegates, the contributor, because without your help it was not possible. Year and year you are responding. The one thing which he has missed, that this time we got overwhelming responses. More than 500 papers. You would not believe in these days, every alternate day, some institution is hosting conferences. This advanced and communication technology has been able to receive 500 papers, 500 research papers. And only 93 papers we have published, remaining has been rejected. The way we are doing a review, the peer review, and we have involved a lot of experts internationally throughout the many countries from the Europe, US, Asians. Experts are really involved. We do the centralized reviewing also. Nothing like that you have send a paper for the reviewer and comments is coming. Sometimes we call the centralized reviewing and we review so that at least some quality works we should contribute to the research area. With these words, I am very thankful to all of you to grace this occasion. Wish you have a nice day and comfortable stay at APID India. Thank you to all of you.
Our guests are our pride, and we feel honored with your benign presence. On this note, allow me to welcome on stage Shri Vijay Agarwal ji, Secretary, SD Education Society, Shri Sudhir Shingla ji, Chairman, APIIT SD India, Shri Satish Chandar ji, Chairman, SD Vidya Mandir, our Vice Chairman, Shri Ishwar Garg ji, our Auditor, Shri Vivek Gupta ji, Shri Dinesh Goyal ji, President, SDPG College, our Honorable Director Sir, Professor Dr. R.K. Chaudhary, to please come up on stage and present our guests with a small token of love, respect and appreciation. I request Shri Sudhir Shingla ji to present our Honorable Chief Guest with a small gift. I would now like to respectfully request the following guests to please come up and accept our symbol of love, signifying our healthy and strong bonds, not just for today, but for the many more years to come. May I invite on stage Dr. H.A. Nagarajaram. Sir, please.